We are talking about initially 2 acres, which may be reduced to 1 acre now.
The Hinnyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization, or Hito, Bhoi district has filed a complaint with the Bhoi Deputy Commissioner's office in Nongpo seeking an end to the alleged illegal collection from poultry transportation into Meghalaya. Led by Hito District President Chania Nongrum, the group intended to meet with Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Bharanwal but submitted the letter in his absence. Nongrum expressed strong opposition to the illegal collections along National Highway 6 and raised concerns about the lack of proper oversight by the Veterinary Department on poultry entering the state.
Illegal extortion di media kilap thai kobor hakapol hakapor lekmen jit pisagi high level kalikit siar ki bom ko kia kapen pau sai ba tang na kadao tang lada ki siu pisa mo dari ki siar ki balayap siar ki bapang kiyo be ban rung sok sate jela jongi te hato kalong em ke basingan ya ke bam bandi nak kementa ki pai no chong chong ke jela Meghalaya ni snu thu ba Bhoi district ke jingrung jong di siar om de tang siar wat isniang ki masiru kumangi menta kilong ki bom dayo e ke jing Indonesia na kaliang jong ke veterinary ke doktor ke expert ke balak ban certified ban pensisya bagi lei ke ba kot ki ba kha bagi bebet ya ke ban pam hapo jong ke jela